Hi, in this video I will show you the workflow for designing and prototyping this stand for your Wacom 3D pen. So let's get started. Let's start creating the dummy Wacom pen to be used as reference for creating the stand. Once we have finished the model, let's locate the pen in the correct position to continue with the design of the stand. As a final step, we add the brand logo, and that's it. In this case, I'm using formlabs freeform, black B5 resin, and a resolution of 0.1 millimeters. After importing the part, we need to set up the location and supports. Finally, we activate the time-lapse camera and send to the printer. Okay, we have here the Form 4 printer. We need to select the file and hit print. Once the print is finished, we need to wash the part and cure it. Let's remove the supports and do some finishing. Thanks for watching.